Hey folks, Adam here again, and today we're looking at CAP Kettlebell, C-A-P. You can see this one has been used for a while because it gets a lot of use here in the gym. It is a very popular product and we all love it. So why should you pick up kettlebells and what is so great about them? What are some of the uses? We're gonna cover that and talk about it right about now. Now first off, CAP has a wide handle and that makes them one of my favorite kettlebells. You can get a good grip in here and do a lot of fun things with them, like arm curls. I'm gonna do a few. With a 25-pound weight, this is actually a great weight for arm curls. A little bit lighter, you can do things like shoulders, at least for me. 25 pounds gets to be a little bit of weight for that. They do have a variety of weights, and these things are built to last. If you should happen to drop one, you don't have to worry about doing damage to the kettlebell. They're strong and sturdy as can be. The coating on them is built to last, and they're a fantastic product. Now there's practically no limit to the things that you can do with your kettlebells, and CAP is one of the top brands on the market. One of the things here, really great for shoulders. Bring them down real slowly, don't let them touch, and then bring them back up. Well, I'm gonna have to do that more often, frankly, right? That is a great shoulder workout. So there's so many things you can do. Again, a little bit lighter weight, and you can do more of these. At least for me, that's a little heavy. More of a two-handed kettlebell at this point. There's a lot of people who will do straight from the floor lifts and throws. And they're really a fantastic product. So when you're looking at kettlebells, CAP is always a great brand. They've got a variety of weights, a variety of products, and the way that these are put together, you can do so many different exercises. Right now I'm doing triceps, shoulder where you can do shoulders, you can do biceps, and it's pretty much anything with upper body. If you've got a muscle there, you can work it out. So go ahead and order today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Get a set, get a few of them, and you're gonna love kettlebells from CAP. Order with confidence with Amazon, and I'm just a big fan. So go ahead and watch me do a few more curls here. One of the things that I normally do with workouts is 3 sets of 7. Take a little break, and then do 3 more, and you can really, really work out a body group. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, go ahead and order these today. We'll give you one more up close before we go. CAP Kettlebell, folks. Order today, you won't be disappointed. Let's get a thumbnail. Adios, amigos.